so many like friends and stuff that I like. We have come to the same conclusion, like about the climate crisis and about what's happening to the environment, and like we agree upon the same facts. We agree upon climate change. We agree upon like all of these things, but the way we choose to deal with it is so different. And like their thing is like it's just like we're so fucked. Why are we even gonna try to fix it? Like we're just there's no point. I'm just gonna keep on living my life the way I do, and I'm just gonna keep on fucking like not giving a shit because like it's fucking too late.
But the logic is this, right? So the oil companies are controlling the government, and so they're causing problems. So to change the government,
I love that.
To change the government requires precisely 3.5% of the population got to be disobedient. We can change the government from 3.5% of the population got to be disobedient. The Ghana did it, the West did it, someone's done a PhD thesis on it.
Yeah, no, like that is.
That's it.
Yeah, that is one thing, right? But like for me, I'm just like, even besides that, like, so what? So like, if these people are giving up, and they're just like, fuck it, it's too late. Like, I'm like, even like, so what? That's just you throwing it in, being like, even if like, for me, I'm like, if there's like a fucking 0.01% chance that we can get ourselves out of it, it's better than. It's at least worth trying to do that than just giving up and being like, we're fucked.
Immanuel Kant wrote in the 19th century that people are categorical imperative. A categorical imperative is morally right, morally right.
Yeah.
You must do it.
Do it anyway.
It's imperative.
Yeah.
Do it anyway.
100%. I agree with that.
There you go.
But it's like, I have one of these huge debates with my very good friends. But like, I was like, man, so if you're holding on to a fucking, like a branch that's hanging off a cliff, and there's a 99% chance that it's gonna break, are you just gonna let go just because it has a 99% chance it's gonna break? Like, fuck it, or are you gonna hold on and try to climb it? It's like if you have that 1% chance of getting ourselves out of this, I'm gonna fucking try. And I'm not just gonna be like, oh, fuck it, and let go. That's how I like it.
What the hell am
If you honestly don't know.
I don't belong here.
Like, I just think you just try your best to fucking do it. That's all I just Yeah, no, like, you won't be able to sleep otherwise. I agree with that. Like,
well, I say to some, I mean, I say, look,
what the hell am doing here?
look, you know, you have an obligation.
I don't belong here, but how
good job.